How to redeem Hertz points. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to hertz.com. Once you're here, you want to sign up into your account. For that, click on the login/sign up option. Here, you want to enter either your Hertz member number or username. Then enter your password. Once you have entered both the details, click on the option of Login. Now you want to join the Hertz Gold Plus Rewards program. Once you have joined this program and earned enough points, you can redeem it for different benefits. There are three convenient ways for you to redeem your points. The first step is booking online. For this, on Hertz.com, you want to make a reservation. Then choose to use your points. You want to select Use My Hertz Gold Plus Rewards point on the home page. After that, you want to select your point redemption option and proceed to final reservation. You can also use the Hertz app to redeem points. For this, you want to download and install the Hertz app on your device. Make a reservation on the Hertz app. If you qualify for a reward, you will see all options on the review and book page. The third step is to contact the customer care. You can directly redeem your points by dialing the customer care number. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.